All right, so they are at it again. The girls are gonna do a competition. Let's see who wins. Let's go. So give this video a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you know when we upload the next video. Hey y'all, it's Stephanie. So as y'all know, my daughters Mariah and Lily, and they're gonna do my makeup. Each one is gonna do half the face. And so we are gonna take y'all on this journey with us. And then at the end, I want y'all to vote and tell me which one of them wins. Whoever wins will get a prize from me. And we'll see how this goes. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so we are finished, and as you can see from the picture on the screen, this is Mariah's side. She did a neutral lip and a gold orange eye, and she took some black into the outer V, and I think she did really good. It brought out the color of my brown eyes, and it worked really well. So let us know down in the comment section if you think that Mariah won this. Now we are going to transition over to Lily's side, and as you can see, Lily did a sunset eye with a dark maroon lip. She did a gold highlight, and it looks very good as well. Now as you can see, they both use the same eyelashes, and I like them both. I think they did a marvelous job. Let us know if you think Lily won in the comment section down below. Thank y'all so much for watching, and we are waiting for the results. So y'all have a good week. Bye.